Hey there, marketers and educators. Are you tired of the same old boring strategies that just don't cut through the noise anymore? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of PlayZo, a revolutionary tool that lets you create engaging games and AI-powered quizzes that not only boost leads, but drive sales and enhance learning. Let's get started. Cut to visuals of frustrated marketers. We've all been there, right? Stuck with basic functionality that makes designing marketing games feel more like a chore than fun. You know, when you hear yourself saying, somehow this feels like all work and no play. But what if I told you that you don't have to settle for less? Transition to upbeat visuals of PlayZo interface. Introducing PlayZo. With our platform, you can create interactive content that captivates your audience. Imagine designing games and quizzes with all the features you want, features that grab attention and keep it. Whether you're looking to increase engagement or drive sales, PlayZo has got you covered. Showcase PlayZo features with animations. Let's take a closer look at some of the amazing features that PlayZo offers. Game customization. Tailor your games to reflect your brand's unique voice. AI-powered quizzes. Create quizzes that adapt to user responses for a personalized experience. Lead generation tools capture valuable leads effortlessly as users engage with your content. Analytics dashboard. Track performance in real time to see what works best. Show testimonials and success stories. But that's not all. With PlayZo, you'll not only create fun and engaging content, but you'll also see a significant boost in your marketing results. Our users have reported increased engagement rates, higher lead conversions, and improved learning outcomes. Why? Because interactive content resonates more with people. Show the PlayZo website and sign-up page. Ready to take your marketing and learning to the next level? Visit playzo.com and start your free trial today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to create fun, engaging, and effective content that your audience will love. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to elevate your marketing game. Remember, with PlayZo, it's all about making learning and engagement fun again. See you next time.